Hi Dolly friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the most amazing box opening. I am so excited for this one, and we are going to take a look at the box. So stay tuned.
Why are you gonna look at a box?
Because there's something special inside. You guys ready? Oh my god, it's moving! Oh my god guys, did you just see that box? It moved. Okay guys, you ready to see who we have inside? This is going to be amazing. Okay, so
you're not getting constipated. Just bust out with it.
I am not
Constipated.
Oh my god. So
I'm back. Potty mouth.
She had it packaged really nice with a lot of bubble wrap in here. Oh my gosh, she's all squished. Okay, so this is...
How about I just film it? Like the good old ways? Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, so you ready to see who we have inside? I am so excited about this one. If you've seen the movie M3GAN, we have a M3GAN doll. This is a reborn child that was done like M3GAN, and she was made by Reborns by Kristen, and you could find her on Facebook, TikTok, and she has her babies on reborns.com, so make sure to check out Reborns by Kristen.
Yeah, baby.
So, let's go ahead and we will check out this little girl.
Look at
oh
her.
My gosh!
She's all chuckied up in
so
there.
Let me be careful lifting her up.
Oh my god. Look at the struggle. Hashtag is real. That's right. I'm back, Jack.
It looks like her wig moves a little bit. Alright, I'm going to try to be as gentle as I can with her. She is a
Oh, poor girl. Oh, Jack.
big girl.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Her neck's broken.
So heavy. Oh.
Oh, you sound like you just gave birth to her.
Yeah, I did. Oh my goodness. Look at her. She is so cool. Doesn't she look awesome? So her hair is actually a wig, so it's not glued on, so you could actually like reposition it. So yeah, but it actually fits her head perfectly, the wig.
She looks like you.
She is so cool, and her head is posable. Wow, Kristen did an amazing job with her paints on her eyes. Look at that. She put the red around there. And she's got the nice, beautiful eyelashes. Oh my goodness. And look how big she is. She's a huge doll. So I'm going to try to...
Oh my god, you look like you're going to die. Poor kid.
She's heavy.
You need to work out, child.
So this is our M3GAN. Oh my goodness. And look at her. So she's got the exact dress. I actually got her a different shirt. I'm going to change her in a minute to one that looks exactly like the one in the movie for her hair. Look at her eyes. Oh my goodness, would you look at her eyes? Her eyes are incredible. Aren't they just amazing? Like they just pop. Like they're like that super, super light blue, and they're glass. But oh my goodness. She's just amazing.
OMG.
And her hands.
OMG.
So she is the Alanka kit. I don't know
What?
if there was
The Ivanka trunk?
I have to go back to the box. So here, I had to go back inside the box because I didn't grab it. So Reborns by Kristen. She's the artist who made her. And here's her COA. She's Alanka by Natalie Blick that was redone into a M3GAN. But oh my goodness, she is so cool. And I mean, her hands, they're like
nice to meet you.
Real child-sized hands. And she got the shoes, everything. She got the pantyhose on.
She just needs some blood.
No, we're not going to add blood to her.
Yes.
No.
Blood. Hold on, M3GAN. I'll be right back.
Alright guys, so I changed her shirt just so that it looks more like the one in the movie. I actually had ordered that one on Amazon and it fits exactly to like the one that she had, the dark gray with the skinny white stripes.
And as you can see, because I had to put my homies in there with Megan, because you know this is a spooky later house. So we got Annabelle. Okay, Megan, meet Annabelle. Meet Chucky. And meet, what's her name?
Demonica.
And meet Demonica. All right, we'll continue with your narration there.
Alright guys, so if you want your own M3GAN doll, go to Reborns by Kristen. Again, you can find her on Facebook. You can find her on TikTok and on reborns.com. That's where I got this sweet little girl. And she could actually make you a custom one. And I know she makes them out not just from the Alonka kit. She makes them from other kits too. So definitely reach out to her. And she does an amazing job. I am so happy with this doll. And I'll probably get more dolls from her in the future. But we want to thank you guys so much for watching. And stay tuned for more fun videos. Till next time. Oh, and we're going to have fun outings with Megan. So make sure you check those out too.
They'll be on Spooky Later channel.
And my channel too.
Not the movie that we're making tomorrow.
Well, the outings will be with her.
Oh, you wait. We ain't going with the outings. You ain't taking one single doll. This girl will go out with me more than she will any doll.
Out with me.
Okay, write in the comments down below, people. How many times has Carrie said that she was going to do outings? This girl will do more outings with me than Carrie's done her entire channel lifetime.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching.
I'm malfunctioning.
Bye.
I'm
We're
malfunctioning.